In this brief product demo, we will show you the key features of the PKRS Coaching app. The first page you will see is the plan page. This is where the user can access their custom daily training program. This plan has been built using the combined knowledge of world champion athletes, their coaches and support teams. On the plan page you can see a brief summary of each session, the name, the category of the session and a short description. On this particular day you can see that the athlete has 3 training sessions ahead of them. Each workout is listed in the order of importance. When you click or tap on a workout, it opens to reveal more key details. You can see the length of session and time. Next is a guide to the intensity of the session and how best to approach it. The last line provides details on the workout duration and training intensity. In the top right-hand corner of the plan page, you'll see the calendar icon. This is where users can make personal edits to their custom training program. Users can delete workouts, move sessions to different days, and even add their own custom workouts. This feature gives the athlete complete control over what workouts they do and when they choose to do them. The diet section gives the user a summary of the day's nutritional prescription. This is based on the workouts planned and the user's preferred approach to their diet, with options for meat eaters, vegetarian and vegan athletes. When you open this section, you can see a full set of meal plans for the day ahead. Note that these change on a daily basis to give the user much needed nutritional variety. Before a workout, users will prep a session to choose the ideal version for their needs. Here, the AI will suggest how the athlete should scale a workout given their state of recovery and fatigue. Users can also scale the session based on their available time and logistics. Once they choose an option, they get an even deeper set of details to help them do the workout as precisely as possible. After the workout is complete, the AI alerts the user that it has received a data file from their heart rate monitor. Now the athlete can debrief the session. Here the user will send comments direct to their coaching team about the session they have completed. They can alert their coach if they are having any injury concerns. Next, they provide valuable feedback about how the workout helped their mood and sense of well-being. Then they record how the session felt using perceived exertion. Next, they rate the muscular stress of the workout and the breathing response to the workout. All this data helps the AI and coaching team understand the total and holistic stress that the athlete is under.